Yes, good morning guys. It's Megan from Oneyardie. So if you see me, you know that I'm in Jamaica again. So today I'm in Brownstone. Just checking it out. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Oneyardie. Alright? Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the page. So I'm just taking a stroll through Brownstone and show you guys what's going on in the good old Brownstown. And what I'm do, like, share
and subscribe
to Oneyardie. Not 2 yardie, no, Oneyardie. Yes. So whatever subscribe to my friend, Oneyardie. Praise God. Subscribe to Oneyardie.
Subscribe to Oneyardie.
Like
And subscribe to Oneyardie.
You're not dead. Did they see how we are? Did they?
Like and subscribe to Oneyardie.
Right, that's all.
Same way, so.
Yes. Like it's look like it's gonna rain today, though. Definitely, it's gonna rain.
Might need to take my umbrella, but
Yeah. So you go.
expect the rain.
Too much people. That's why I go. That's why I go look. Too much people. You look. Where you go on my youth?
I go on good man.
You better jump off a bike. Go up in yourself. Look there. And it's still. I go on the bike. You not hurt.
I'm thinking
You have to eat. When you go to the clinic, that then do then clean it up and put the dressing pan, right? So yeah, so what we do now? Why do you even know which part we there and you live at Jamaica? What we there? You ever come here so before? Brownstone, brother. You have to realize that we there our Brownstone. So yes guys, we're out here with no fear. As I said, I'm a yardie, so whenever I'm in Jamaica I try to give content from Jamaica, and this is the land that I love. This is the place that I was born. I don't live here now, but I'm planning on return to the country that I love. So this is just me walking around in Brownstone. Nothing I'm doing, I'm just walking and doing some business in Brownstone. So I'm just sharing my experience with you in Brownstone. And yes guys, Jamaica is a lovely place to live. I love Jamaica. I'm not sell it no matter where they were. So this morning, you know, this morning my auntie said to me, here my auntie said to me this morning. You know what I hear my auntie said to me this morning? My auntie telephone me say morning. She said, why you live a fine long, you know, you can't talk better. I said, no, I'm Jamaican. You can't change me. No way in this world can change me. I'm born yardie. Oneyardie, you can't change me. I mean, I mean, no country change me. I mean, I don't know if it works. You know. There were auntie there now. My auntie when you party, they tell him about how it works. Tell him about party it works. Why, you know, I'll party put on him, but you know, you see all the
I really want the morning, the morning.
Morning, a morning.
I don't want that.
One day.
I just not really like for the kids to talk about it.
I don't know why we speak English. Let us be clear. Jamaican, we don't have to twang to speak English. Jamaicans speak English. Let that be clear. We don't speak. They don't teach us patois in school.
Yeah, that's
It
true.
is just a dialect that we have. That like Spanish people, a lot of Spanish country don't speak proper Spanish. They speak a dialect. Like in Haiti, they speak French, but it's also Creole. But the original language is French, but they have a dialect that they broke in French. Like you would say, sac passé. In French, it's comme savoir. So it's a broken, because I guess they didn't want the slave master to understand them.
Yeah.
So that's what most of our language is. Slave master is like Brakra master. We say Brakra master.
Yeah.
It was the slave master they called Brakra master, but they never want the slave master to know. So they say Brakra master come. So a parable, and most of it is from Africa. Like when you say Niam in Ghana, Niam mean eat.
Yeah.
So it was their language they brought here.
Yeah.
So it's nothing wrong with it, and we should. And if I'm telling you, Jamaica is losing their culture, whether we don't like it or not. We're losing our food, We're losing our everything about Jamaica because everybody want to be so foreign minded. And America don't have no culture.
Exactly.
That's the problem. We don't have no culture.
I can't get passes though. That be a tin accurate.
But you know, I like in a Florida, they grow a Florida and banana tree, a mango tree.
The real?
Yeah, the real, yeah. Yeah, because Florida is like Jamaica.
Oh yeah, my mother was.
Yeah, Florida is no different. Sorry. Florida is no different from Jamaica. So everything, breadfruit tree, June plum tree, and everything when grow a Jamaica grow a Florida. It's no different.
Yeah, she always let me say I like it.
Everything.
But she said over the was
no. But it depends on which part it get cold, a little bit that's cold too. Sometimes it get cold too. Yes, everything.
Yeah.
But in the way, in the summertime we grow up crop, you know. In the summertime we have 3 months to grow, you know. As I've been out to the little lazy man them when I walk they only want to drink rum head them. rum bar. Rum bar, they want plant one even a town, everybody in a town have one pepper tree at the outside. Like me I tell not even one pepper tree, this is what nasty this is.
Yeah, pepper tree, yeah, mango tree, apple tree, yeah, sweet stuff tree.
You can plant cassava or something with your plant and left. Or you not your plant two cassava. You can plant two cassava, you know?
Raise hog and fold, man.
Plant two bungo.
Pepper and hard for grow.
Exactly. One two plant one total tree, you know?
You can do the scallion, you can do.
And you can even plant, you can put sweet potato in a bag. You take a cocos bag, put dirt in it, and tough the sweet potato in it, and it grow. And then when you bear, you know, shake your bag out and you see potato in there. So why you don't want to plant?
What's a June plum tree?
The KFC. Let me not care June plum tree up there and then kill it. Junior kill it. You think Tinker can kill it. I mean, I live in Jamaica, I don't buy nothing. Nothing. Yeah, I mean, one time when you got one mister, one time, you know, when I grew up, I don't grow up in one mister, but you can visit. The whole they have yam and banana, the whole of them say they plant up in, but now let them back the young people.
Yeah, until there's a plant out there, what a man is a farm.
I know say some people still plant peanut up in this area. Peanut is a must, like it's a big peanut up there's a big thing. A peanut. But as I said, we are lose the culture and we need to stop lose the culture because it's no good. Anyway, I need to drink something. I need to, what time is it? So me hungry now, so me I go get something. And this is, and look now, and this is Jamaica national dish. Me show the Jamaica national dish. This is Jamaica. No, this is Jamaica national dish. If you don't know, I can't start it again, you know. I want to call it KFC.
Brother asked for KFC, yeah.
Yeah man, hey, go bend over feet, brother. Yo, you eat that, yo, I'm not bend over for KFC, you know. I bend over for KFC. KFC, you want, right?
Let's up down there, man.
Eh?
Let's up down KFC.
Who's that going right?
If you want that, let's up down market.
Yes,
Let's up down market.
I don't want to go to market, but I can't see me walk around.
Okay, Arch, you want to KFC.
So a KFC you want? So with the brownstone out there with no fear. One stop, so we get something to eat. And they have porridge, yes. Alright. Good morning. Thank you. So we're here at One Stop and I'm going to have something really delicious. I know it's going to be delicious because it's local. And Even though they want the national dish, which is KFC, I say me want Jamaican. Yes.
Yeah, brown soup chicken, curry chicken. We have been much already.
What, just breakfast? Yeah, man, I have breakfast. Yeah. Oh, you afraid me know a lot of Jamaican free diet, but trust me, you know, funny enough, you know, like this, a lot of business that I have seen strive from YouTube, and some it's about advertisement. It's not, I mean, yeah. So basically, I'm going to taste your food and I'm going to tell it for them to come at one stop in a brownstone. Read one stop in a brownstone, and not have to come out and support. I'm going to tell you how it is, you know.
The number to call is 975.
You hear it? 975
9390.
9390. Yeah. One stop. Read one stop.
Yeah, good customer service.
Right there, so. Aye, you hear that? So let me have yeah, porridge. Yeah, banana porridge. Let me try the banana porridge. Now eat porridge? One small cup. Then I give one 2,000. I'm going to buy a KFC bread. I'm going to buy a national dish. Then your stew beef, and then spend the money in the dark, and it's for your money, you know. Oh, then and you think so? You think so? Then you don't get money if you spend too. You know, give $1,000 this morning. Me now as I tell up in a long talking the lesson now. So I tell like Jamaica lose their country, we don't have the old jerk, but again they had this the fire one, you see? We jump on there, jump on with you, so I think I use gas now. You see what I talk about? We are losing culture. But for the restaurant, I look there, they have master grilling, so they had a jump on for jerk the chicken. They have a jump on there, but jump on, what's sweet so? You tell me now, what's sweet so? May I tell you? So Zimba, what do you think about Brownstone so far?
No, it tone kind of quiet and they tone clean.
I know you like want me to stop eat with them.
Like it, yeah.
That's a big, you know who that they already.
What?
Doggy, one doggy. Not two doggy, you know, one doggy. Here I know. The people them that used to be a type of lad with sir. So guys, my brother ordered stew beef, so I taste it and tell you how the food tastes. I say if it tastes better than the stew beef I have yesterday. Hot like fire. Yeah. Man, like it heat. Watch ya. Oh my God. Oh.
Out. Piece of pay.
It hot, but it tastes good. I'm not lying. It can't go on. Tastes good. It's hot, but
Good rice. Can't eat that rice. Too yet.
Me I tell you, you see?
That's rice.
The worst thing for the hot rice, a hot dumpling. It's good.
Yeah.
It tastes good. Yeah, Junior. It tastes good. Junior here. Tastes good. So you're gonna pay the money, brother? You not hungry? Junior not give you money? Yeah, man. You can't buy food, man. I'll make you up. One doggy. Yes, doggy. One doggy, right? Right? One doggy. Not two doggy, you know, one doggy. The girl them bedspread and pillow.
Yeah.
Right, doggy?
So now I can look for you.
So now look for me for. Good for him. Make him stand there. Don't left him. He see he spot me. He spot me. They can't find me, no bugger. Watch ya. Stand over there, look for me and he can't find me. And Maurice said, I said he can't look for me though. What? You don't know this? I said.
No, to give this from him look over here.
Yeah, you look in the hop and dog we see. You know, like, I know, Maurice is making dead for hungry, you know, King God. Why, my girl? Jesus, peace. Why, you can't give me some? Wait, no, you can't give me some? Look now, you can't give me. May I look a little, no, sorry, no, may I look a little booty. Take me out for you. Look, may I look a little booty. May I look some booty? Anybody out there know where we can get some good booty from? I say, boy, there are some booty at Jamaica and Miami, they ain't go ferry. They may not Miami. And this is your call, Dolly. This is the real Dolly, the one where I get the fake singing them and a real Dolly. Yeah, man, fyp. Yeah.
Oh, so am I right now?
No, go back to
Man, fyp.
but
So, yes, I started him get film food now.
As a fast as you got the
The parade, that's yeah, and all that man. One whole that you know.
one whole.
Cut and swallow. So guys, my food there. And my food actually I started food, I'm just a taste everybody food. And like I said, me I get no food. So this is the fried chicken.
but I run pizza the food no come weird.
I'm a colonel.
The chest swallow. You just
That be.
just the make hard.
Man, you want to burn me again? But I think I found the beef that a little bit salty. Even not everybody.
Can be the season.
But I like overall it tastes good. Either way, if you want to lose weight, I'm tell you, if you want to lose weight, two things you stop: bread, sugar, and rice. You don't have to do nothing. You don't have to go to the gym. Stop eating bread, sugar, and rice. And within a week, you're going to see a difference. That means no sugar, no bread, no soda, no rice, nothing.
And no meat.
Meat you can eat, you need meat, especially women need meat. No matter what type of meat, fried, frozen, whatever, meat is a must. I will lose our muscle faster than man and meat.
You want to do some meat?
Feed him this, come on, feed him, come.
Come.
Feed him. Feed, come on, what can you feed? Oh, you don't want to pan camera. You don't want to pan camera, you know, say, well, I don't want Tony to drive through, so.
Yeah.
I think I'm not crazy big man.
And you know, that's what I
About one party that you buy, I know.
But I don't understand with it's like I think they enjoy going to funeral.
God funeral that's to the police and everything.
No, I
No,
said
they
they enjoy
enjoy being dead.
being dead. Like they have a fear of. They don't say again, you know, if you remember saying if Jamaican people are already, you know, the stubborn slavery them, but they never want the other them get sent to Jamaica, you know, so now understand, so we can't change, we are daredevil. The Jamaicans are just straight daredevil. Never touch a wire so with the motor use pump.
Me get my own thing now.
So you need to learn to drink water. And stop drink the juice. It's not a rat no bone.
Water we drink anytime.
I bought them all and get right again.
I don't know why not to drink juice.
All the one now.
Hello, good afternoon. Good morning. Welcome to One Stop.
I tell you some money limited that you're still lucky in a car to Maurice. Yes, you know, go wash your plate them around there. If you do want to only a plate, wash your rush around there.
That's right. So that is.
Give me again.
That's right, super.
So I do walk in the water. Yes, I'm going to buy lunch, I can't buy lunch and breakfast store. You know, spend Me not like spend my body with people.
But sometimes they say carry because they don't know what about tonight.
Me not eat white food. Me not eat
Exactly.
Me not eat foreign food. Me are Jamaican. Flavor the water. So it give the illusion that I'm having a juice, but it's nothing. And that, you know, at 10 years now, I drink soda. I'm trying to get my food. The beef. Why hot?
Yeah, it's curry chicken.
In dash your food, in dash you eat the food, right? No, in dash right?
Dash is the book. But you see that food. You know, I got to the one day.
So I go out and check them and then
I'll go back to you.
I'll come back again.
Maurice, I need every day I will have to come
You
back.
don't know Maurice?
You did some charges. Do you understand with that? I said, oh, I work.
Man, what you
I
like?
took my lawyer.
Man, want to go straight.
How much plan you lose, so sir?
Oh, 20.
Man, if you land it up on the line and the woman said, but the woman said, pay down your money, just pay down some of the money.
I don't really know.
And by the time you come back down with the lawyer, not
Everything
sell.
done
I
already.
don't really know how
But they say,
Maurice be able because there were regular habit for people over the US.
use lawyer.
Like
Because you know what you-
Another day my mother another day like she fell for my sister.
What kind of teacher? What kind of lawyer? You
What
want to
a
get
different
her
father. So she got it because she's at 20. So once you pass 20, you can't pass.
no, you can find, but it take years. But if you put it in now, time
2
flies.
years. I think I understand. No man,
So with the lawyer,
before you're
then?
20 minutes out. I think
Yeah.
it's like a year and so.
You see?
And a year,
You
yeah.
see the lawyer? You like with that percentage.
That she didn't come up.
Come up.
So with my sister now, that's the small one. So she about 15, the father now. A bit in a female, so she didn't go left or not kind of stuff. But
So when you go down,
when she didn't move,
oh, go back to that.
all it that's like from here, in the movie, a woman come to the house and they made a parent.
Go back to that now.
Then she just called it a day and left her with her father. Now the filing come through,
But
she
the
came on
very
December, the filing came through. She was to do her interview the 7th
No, I didn't hear nobody.
January.
Wow.
The medical is to do the 23rd of December. You know, so the father, she didn't know she got to take a passport size picture. She did to take a passport size picture. And you know, so when she got to take the passport size picture, she did it, she asked my father after dead year and my father, because I went to tell her, you know, so don't know with your mother unless he's present. So she like, my father said, I'm not going to take the passport size picture because she's aware, even make she aware about it. My mother never tell her nothing about it. Because she could have take passport picture for anything. But she bring her come here, you know. So it's like she's half ball and stuff, but she don't want to take the passport size picture until me after the day I talked to her. My sister didn't come to my mother. She had to talk to her as well. Like, hey mother, she can't take a passport size picture for anything.
And them have your father brighten your future.
No, not mine, for the fear father.
Fear father brighten her
So
future.
when the interview time, no, she never get to do the medical card, guess what? She did the to get the picture. She never get to do the medical card, guess what? The father thought we not send the paper, not hand over the documents. But guess what? She filed for her daughter. My mother filed for my sister.
What kind of work you find?
Our father, I'm not going to file.
Like in my minister,
No, I'm supervisor for the account department.
a money man.
Full of money. So it's like, him never want to hand over the document. You know, she got a coach so till she week, till she get one woman at the farm, PRC. Because like, just hand over the lady document, she just need her immunization card.
But the daughter
her birth
herself,
paper.
the don't she say your father
No,
a blighting your
she
future.
just wants her father, like, true, she grew up with him. Like,
But
your mother
I had
never
that
run
same
it.
problem
The
and I tell them with my daughter.
The stepmother, talk about the mother running. The stepmother put all kind of negative words inside.
But you're
of her
blighting your
head.
daughter future,
She
idiot.
put everything, listen, I want piece of fight, my mother never put on. She got
But
court
what I'm
until she
saying, your
healed.
father a blighting your
But we
future.
know, just when the lady got court now, and when my mother got caught on, one lady come with her to get the document, police officer, but she got them did not like him up. But them bail him. They charge him 100, I think 100.
So what, when you lock him up for?
Because I don't want to hand over the documents.
Even with the police today. A bad man, you know?
He's supposed to hand over the documents. So come she find him.
A bad man.
And
As
then
in bad man, he own
and then everything they said back as she got the interview because she did it, she had fight one time, she want to give up, you know. So she got the interview, no. The interview went through, but the medical never done. So she still love staying in Jamaica, do the medical with her. And then me send the picture to them now, because she really gone over. And I took up everything going to process now and everything can be done. So, you know, when my mother did do the medical, her advice is so like mine, because trust me, she was stressed. She was, especially just for the AC, like they never clean the AC properly. Why? All kind of something. So her advice still gone. So my sister turned to her, he asked her son, my father, like seriously? Hey, your mother bring her come here, what is she doing?
Tell her, say,
What is she doing?
problem with her over there.
I tell her,
leave her where she
but
there.
the thing is, she kind of said she's sorry she never could have given me it. I said, Mommy, don't say that. You can't say that.
You're gonna be the biggest problem she's gonna have because all she is
15.
I'm sorry for her. No man she call police for no reason.
Why?
Because she don't want it, but you cannot force. But honey, you cannot. It doesn't matter. You cannot force her. I had the same problem with my daughter. No. Remember with that? I don't know if you know the story about Lajie.
No, she not force her, you know, she just wants her to finish. Because she's smart, you know. Because all the child she go. She's very smart. She wants her to finish all the child. If I want to go 6 farm, I go 6 farm. And then you come over there. She's willing to come over there to go.
But you know she can't stay. You know she can't stay to the country, especially what's going on.
But look at it, they might go forward to take next week. And guess what? She have to go before her visa expire. Her visa expires July. And my mother not forget her until August. In terms of they got court before the stepmother.
So why is the father fighting her own daughter?
The father never in the country when my mother come from with our daughter. Because she tell, because of the court, you have to tell her like you have to tell them like 3 days before you come to Jamaica. So the stepmother bring her to court. The first time the stepmother bring her to court, so him get July with her. And she get August. She get 1 week of December. Him get New Year's. It's crazy. Trust me.
And at the end of the day, when the father, when she come up when she reach 21, she can file for her father. So in reality, it's.
But guess what? None of our family them not out here. All of the uncle them, everybody, some they are Canada, some they overseas.
And the family them okay with him? Do we know?
So guess what? He did a leave to go work. The day when she go down there for him to get the documents, and the brother tell her say I leave the next morning. Him own a brother tell him baby mother
and
say.
And then no say madu.
Yeah, a foolishness madu. And nobody can talk. Think I'm my last queen, you know, nobody can say too.
What is the thing about why you blind your daughter's future?
Exactly. Him feel like say, you know, but I never write down on a file. Oh yeah, and you file for her. You can't file for her.
That's dumb.
She you know, him did care her visa. She never fly gone away. And my mother make she come over, my mother make she fly.
But she herself, she's controlled by him.
Yeah, and the stepmother.
She herself, I'm sorry to say, your sister need to know that.
Yeah.
Because I have the same problem with my daughter. First of all, I filed for my own child. Nobody helped me.
Yeah,
and the family, the father tell her, say, oh, me don't like her.
Yeah.
Me like B, me like my son only. Mind you, I filed for the both child at once. The only problem was we did it by my name, spelled bad, and Lajie didn't spell correctly, and Lajie birth certificate. And then tell her, say, who now, who them, I don't like her, I don't want to get her. Meanwhile, me I fight the battles with embassy.
Yeah.
Me I fight the battles with embassy.
Exactly.
And them I say, oh, me don't like Lajie, and through that you have a stigma that my daughter have the mentality, even my own so-called family when I don't associate, because I don't associate myself with my mother family because they are evil.
Exactly.
You understand me? You are going to tell my daughter, you don't know my struggles in America. You don't know. And me could get them up until after 13, you know.
Yeah.
Because if not, you have to find babysitter because America, you're not Jamaica, you can just walk out and if you pick me.
Exactly.
And after 13, and Lajie come America when she's 13, being come when she's 14, when they're okay enough to stay home by themselves. That's the law. After 13, they can stay home by this. And that's when I decided to get them in America because
I like Jamaica.
Your police, if you how you work, them I come for you. So I get them, you hear some me never like them, and me this and me that and but they don't know. If you don't know, you don't know. But some Jamaican parents, I think in bad minding that, I think he should have been, even though he may be still in love with your mother, and feel like he can use your sister to control her, and that's the only way I'm going to have communication with your mother is through sometimes I have to think.
So that when I tell him now and say I have to talk to him. So look him, I come focus, I want to come see me now. But the mother there, he put away from my daughter. I don't know if they sign a paper, I never sign it. But I call my cousin this.
Oh my God. I don't know what's wrong with Jamaican, but if I'm blighting your daughter's future, your daughter can, right now, my daughter father live in Canada. Mind you, I'm a single parent with the two of them, and he live in Canada and make money. And my daughter, school time, and my daughter call him and say, send some money. Oh, the government now give you money. From me live in America, government, I don't know where Jamaican get this mentality from, say government give you money. Government does not give you money for people in America. You have to file, you have to be not working, and poor and pauperous, and then put you in a dirty community, violence and drugs. I refuse to live in those neighborhoods, so there's no money. Again, people think, so, oh, you get back tax money. If you make, okay, this is how America is. If you make a certain amount of money, there's no tax to get back. The government tell us if you make, the government say you make 15,000 and you make 20,000, you don't get back the money. But the fact you have to pay the government. So people have this misunderstanding. The less you work, the more the government give you. I don't want to live in that statistic. I don't want to live in that statistic. And you know, she called him for money. And then she called him again. Your man said, oh, your mother don't have money. Mind you, I'm a provider, I'm a put roof over her head, I'm a schooler, I'm a feeder, and you have money.
The two children.
No. And but him live in Canada, him can have the money for send home helping daughter.
India, no?
He helping. Yeah, because he's sick now, they don't want him. They don't want him. I know him, I say, I don't want to talk to him. When me tell Laje, say, no, you have to look beyond what happened and you know, talk to your father. And right now, Laje can't find people. Laje can't in America. But when do to Laje, when Laje pregnant, when Laje got the baby, now me depend to, you know. Laje called him and said, you know, she not work now because she depend on maternity leave. She tell herself, what your mother did. The same mother where he used to say this. And he said, you know, I keep telling her, you know, I have no money. And guess what? Laje never want no money. Because I make sure Laje get the maternity leave. I fight for Laje get maternity leave from her job. You know what I say? And Laje didn't leave me, so Laje never have to pay rent. I test Laje, call him and test him. I know that even his granddaughter, Laje don't want him now. Laje don't want to talk to him. And he have nothing. I'm tell her to stop it. That you love your grandmother and that's it. Even me tell him, say, stop it, say, Laje, at the end of the day, I still your father, showing some respect or whatever, you know? She said, if he's dead, we go with him. Because it's like, she feel like saying that the woman, money, give the money and never did I give her. She never have it. She never have it. A man alone, income alone, coming at the house. One income.
You know, so them a go for being the man.
And I'm here to give the money and she.
But look on being man, so that them a speak out for him. You have some man who says, so one man who says, suppose woman before them kids.
That one I do it too.
You have a whole heap of man who says so.
And when woman left them, then you pick me. Never you put nobody in front of you. If a woman don't love your pick, tell her to get the. If a man don't love your pick, the boat, it no matter both ways.
Yeah.
Get the hell out of here. If you show your pick any bad face, you dismiss him. This instant dismiss. And I don't like step parents because they do not love your child.
I tell myself I'm there, I'm step out with me walk on
my picnic is first.
The same man. My sister father said step out me walk, but I said something to him. Because the thing is with me and my pregnancy, it's just that the first time actually, my mother did some about family planning actually. Never understand it. To get not talk about family. If she tell me if I carry me now, I don't understand.
That may feel like the Jamaican people explain to kids, but I think the kids are more
the family know.
Yeah.
But when me that go never understand. Never understand.
How old are you now?
29.
29, yeah. But the parents will never take us and explain it to no God. That's all you hear. They never
And then we know and was like,
if you have sex on it. But I had my first time when I was 15, so and I didn't know. 15
and then
for
the
me.
first time I actually go out with the father. And actually I want to fight and become anybody you want to be. And I remember start finding out more about him when they left him. And you know, say 3 months after I find out pregnant.
You see that?
And him say when I look at me, say for that should have belly bright and future.
They always say that.
Him alone, and my father said it's alright.
You know, my son.
My mother was upset, but and she said, call your father. And we come, my father said, alright. And then we said, the baby, they love it. Fat and chubby, they love it.
My son, they come. They also didn't care one white man and one white man to be, right? When me had the baby once, they don't report on my face. Me now give her my people. Meet the people them. All the father in phone and spirit. So me sit down, listen we all get money. They send now all money for dash a lodge. Million money. Vern said money for dash a lodge and million money. But Juliet, what tells lodge said me they go dash it. We don't dash it if you didn't want to. When the money come, I mean that we go on a restaurant, you see man. And I had a curry goat and some pork. My mama said I love curry goat, you know man.
No, but the baby, the class say that.
Man, the baby did there and the money come. And me go to the doctor talk to me and me say, boy, I'm hungry, you know. And me and man, that's all any things I do it, but I never do it. And I sit down for about a month and yam. And me and the money, you see. Then I know say belly a grow see here, I don't none. I never understand when that's the same I go question him. I'm thinking of money, man.
But you know, say, it's very dangerous.
Everybody there after the mafia. All the money in the field. And so everything was up. And my daughter, I love my daughter, so me now make.
Yeah. But you know, it's very dangerous. Because you know, so them sue one doctor the other day.
You know what Jamaica? Jamaica doctor, we don't trust them in a no surgery.
Them sue, I don't know, Dr. Ford. Yeah, Dr. Ford. No, family again. 1 year, one doctor in the
But you know, so before you do it,
but
there's a warning. That's why you sign disclosure.
Yeah.
They tell you that you go underneath. And anytime you go underneath anesthesia, it's a risk that you don't wake
No
up.
man, indeed, Melina, indeed. She come out, indeed, private doctor, the private, you know. But guess what? She was already taking pills to throw away the belly. And then if she come with an unfinished process. Wanted to finish
I
it.
doctor, she should have been to the
So
hospital.
the doctor, he should look for her. Sometimes I love money. He said
Yeah,
she just so true. But she did. So the family I get the money, it's still blast.
He should have never take that.
No, the car.
But them tell you, there's disclosure.
It tells her his baby. Yeah.
No, I'm not paying money. You didn't pay the bill, man? No?
Now we have much money.
If she just like, because you come there and ask question, him should have never finished the process.
You should have asked question.
If him started, him
She should have
never
gone to the
finished
hospital.
the process. As so comes him get so at that courage.
Because there's a special clinic up so for it.
Yeah.
You know.
Because you can say it's with my second daughter. The same in the menstrual, you know. And I walk until one in you that night. So when I feel like 3 months after, 3 months after we make it, you know. So I'm not in the menstrual, so how can I be pregnant?
Well, you can even get pregnant. You can even see your period with pregnant. You know?
Yeah, but guess what? If the injection no good, that's I'm not going to panic.
Yeah, no good.
But
But I do, I'm on birth control. And I do the patch. I will never have another child.
Well,
If I don't have a ring on this,
but I'm not put down here, so.
no. If I don't have a ring on it,
Yeah.
I'm not gonna be a statistic for any man. I'm not gonna be no man baby mama.
And the insert, them say the insert make it smell.
Yeah, depends. It all depends, but I don't have a patch.
Patch pain.
There's a patch stuck to my body. Every week we take the arm. Every 3 weeks we take the arm.
One patch, just pain.
There's a patch right there. You can put it in your back.
Yeah.
The birth control is about more than 10 years now. I'm not coming out and be a
Another patch in the front?
I am not a statistic for nobody. I'm not very bad at
Mother never
you know.
took go down.
And at this time, I don't have no problem, you know.
I don't feel alone. Say.
Kids hold you down. Kids, I mean,
Well, you see
like
when I
I
have my
have
son.
two.
No, you see when you have the first one, it motivates you.
Yeah.
So when you see they get pregnant at that age, after a while, you say, no, I want more money.
Yeah.
I want to care of myself. Yeah, so it
I never had no
motivates you.
child in America. I said, I no picnic over there hard. I mean, and then as soon, my thing is this, as soon as they look, not just look around, as soon as they have a child with a man in it. Why would I?
But Haley Bailey.
Why would I want to have a child?
Never expect people to leave her because she died the belly, you know. And then never expect after a year. No, before a year. Or before the birthday.
So why would I be a sophisticated man? You damage good. That's why I tell these young kids.
And then you see after a while, you say, as I get pregnant, it's time move away, you know.
Exactly. So why would you get...
Time move away. When me inspire me about this time move away, look home.
Exactly. Even the school girls, them, I tell them, even my sister. They tell them, I forget pregnant.
Same way, so.
I said, I can't go in. You stand on
Yeah.
as soon as other man,
I use the pill.
As soon as you have a kid, the man don't want you.
I don't lie.
I don't lie.
Wrong man.
Wrong. Here is how I yes, I
No,
hear
it's
this.
not nobody wrong, man.
Why, yeah.
Wrong man. Wrong with this.
Yeah,
It's
yeah.
not nobody wrong, man, because married man still they are cheat. Married man still they are cheat. Trust me, they not pass me.
You don't like him perfectly?
Wrong man that man.
The
man never been feeling
the
like
married man them still launch it. The side woman them. Trust me, them a call the wife them. Look on the man in a look on the PMP, a PMP man or JLP. They can see they our name. And the woman left her friend from murder the
For murder the
baby
baby.
and the baby and the mother.
Yeah. Like
Burn
how
her
you
like
do.
say, you know, and then the family, the whole family talk. We used to kill the people them like.
But the cousin they don't
Jealousy?
need. But I mean, why would you take money to take a baby like? Come on.
Baby, oh that would
Like, you take a woman like you take a baby.
Oh God.
You know
And,
what I mean?
and the man never yet posted a picture of the baby that with the funeral and everything and that hurt me. And when she turned 1 year old, the man posted the picture with her.
But how can
And
a
he never yet
person-
post her.
How can a person look on a baby?
But sometimes the woman them know what might see themselves in there, you know.
But the thing is that how can a woman pay a person to kill a baby? You know, please make it make sense to me. Because it's just not adding up to me.
But the side piece is not around.
You know what I'm saying? Like if you can look on a baby and kill a baby, you're not human. You're not normal. An innocent child. Whenever accident come in this world, come on, man. That is not normal. It's not normal. It's not normal. Not normal. I'm going to anything. Oh yes, yeah, madman recycle it, yeah. Ex-soldier mad out. And demon them are killing. And dopey them way, unnecessary dopey them way make. The unique though, the unique.